Welcome. So here we're going to discuss the lateral surface area of a cylinder. So the lateral surface area for any shape is really the sides of the shape. We do not consider the top or the bottom for the lateral surface area. So it's just the sides. So I'm just looking at kind of this area here, the sides without the top or the bottom. So in order to find this, let's just kind of visualize what's happening when we're looking just at the sides. We can consider this cylinder, and I can kind of pretend that I'm going to make a cut. So I have like a tube of toilet paper, right? And I'm going to cut it down the center. And that's what this black line is. And then I can unroll it. And I end up with a rectangle once I'm done unrolling it. Now, the height of this rectangle is still the height, right, of the cylinder. But this length here, this length is actually the circumference of the original cylinder. And circumference, if we remember from circles, is 2 pi r. So in order to calculate the surface area of this lateral surface area of this cylinder, I'm really looking at a rectangle that has a length and width of 2 pi r and h. So the formula for the lateral surface area is 2 pi r times h. And usually we actually just use an L to represent lateral surface area. So 2 pi r h. All right, so now that I have my formula here, I can look back at my previous example and we can actually calculate the numbers. So I have here a cylinder that is 9 inches in diameter and 20 inches in height. I have the radius here instead of diameter in my formula, so I do need to divide the 9 by 2 to get 4.5 inches for my radius. And then I'll plug in all my numbers. So the lateral surface area will be 2 times pi times 4.5 inches times 20 inches for the height. I plug all that into my calculator and I end up with about 565 square inches. Now do be careful of your units. This is a surface area. Area always has square units. So I can tell that because I treat my inches, I have 2 of them here and I treat them like a variable by adding the exponents and getting that square. But you also have that logic check that you know areas should always be square units. Thank you so much for watching.